Hi! Welcome to today's video, which, as you've probably already guessed by the amount of these packages, is gonna be a mega unboxing of some great niche and not only fragrances. So to find out what's inside, make sure to keep on watching. But before we jump right into it, I would like to ask those of you who are here for the first time to subscribe to my channel right now, and also don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoy great haul videos. And once you're done with that, we can dive right into it. So hello and welcome everyone to today's mega huge haul slash unboxing video in which we are gonna check out a whole bunch of different perfumes that have just recently arrived. So let me know what was the recent purchase of yours, or what was the last perfume you got. And I've already pre-opened the boxes because, you know, I suck at that, and that would just require a lot of time. So with that being said, the first thing I have here is from the brand, oh right, Via del Sicilia. So it's from Sicily, Italy, and I discovered this brand for myself at Esxence. In case you missed my roundup of the greatest discovery of Esxence 2022 that I made in Milan last month, make sure to check out that video. It's long but totally worth it. And right here I have this beautiful perfume, and I remember I liked it a lot among the entire collection of this brand. This one that is called Mandorlo was my #1 favorite, and I will tell you why in a second. But first, let me know if you have ever heard about this brand or smelled any of their fragrances. So this is the box. Whoa! By the way, I'm master at dropping perfume, so let's see if that will happen to any of today's fragrances. I hope not, because, you know, these are precious perfumes, and this is how it looks. Literally, I haven't seen anything yet, so we are kinda discovering that with you today. So it says something in Italy and in English as well. So let's just find the fragrance Mandorlo, which is right here. So this is the bottle. I mean, like, it looks really modern, contemporary, minimalistic, but it's huge. So Mandorlo features notes of almonds, some green nuances. It's all in Italian, so I'm not quite sure, but let's actually spray it on and then I will tell you what I smell from it. So right away it's like a green floral powder. So it's not a heavy powdery fragrance, but as you know, I really adore powdery perfumes, and almond does this thing that it smells a little bit gourmand and very, very powdery, almost like makeup. So I really enjoyed the combination of, you know, citrusy and green notes with this beautiful powdery almond. It smells like a candy. It smells like the valley of green blooming trees, and at the same time there's like a bit of candy in there. So that's a very fun fragrance, especially for the summertime. So it's like perfect powdery perfume that has a touch of sweetness for the time when it is really hot. And with that being said, let's move on right into the next package, and I see it's from the brand Bastille Paris that I also discovered for myself at Esxence. So right here I have a bottle of their fragrance Plein Lune. Hopefully I didn't mispronounce this name. Please let me know what it means, because I know there is a bunch of French people among you watching this video, so I apologize myself in advance for mispronouncing any French or other words in this video. But here is a discovery set. Whoa! You know, there's like an entire collection, and it's all a little bit messed up, but here we go. Now we have it in perfect order, and there are some blotters to experience perfumes. I love when brands do that, and it says that these are natural fragrances, truly original, created with 95% natural raw materials. Bastille fragrances are all gender fluid. They also contribute to protect our oceans. Thanks to our partnership with NGO, 1% of the planet, 95% natural ingredients used for these fragrances, and I really like that. So there are 6 fragrances in total, and this one that comes in a purple bottle happens to be my favorite. So very cute, minimal packaging. I love that. Oh, wow, I can't get it out there. Okay, maybe we just need to be a bit more. Whoa, okay, so that definitely requires some strength, but here we go. Let's spray it on. Really excited for this one. Oh yeah, there is a note of matcha if I'm not wrong, and as you know, I'm a big fan of it. Right away, such a realistic note of matcha. If you like matcha latte, matcha tea in general, you definitely need to check this one out, because like in the opening, it smells like matcha powder. So good. Green, very energetic. I smell like a lot of tea in here, but not very leafy. It is actually quite deep, yet not smoky. I really like how uplifting it is. It is really light, but at the same time, the tea note in there is powerful. So I really enjoy that, especially like there's almost a tuberose nuance somewhere behind the tea that is trying to pick through, but the tea is still pretty strong, not letting it to overwhelm. So that's actually pretty cool, and I like that in the dry down it calms down a little bit and becomes this beautifully green floral scent that once again is so good for the summertime. I mean, like these 2 fragrances that I've just unboxed are perfect for the weather right now, because it's really hot outside and I'm more into green and fresh, juicy perfume. So if you know something that's in that style, please let me know in the comments. And I'm just moving on to this one, and check it out. It's from Nishane. Let me know how to say it correctly if you're from Turkey or you just know it, because I have a feeling I always say it wrong. But nonetheless, I love this brand. As you might remember, I have a lot of videos dedicated to their fragrances. Just recently, I've created a collection overview of their time capsule collection. It consists out of 4 amazing perfumes, so in case you missed it, check it out. But right here, I got a perfume that I wanted to get for my upcoming best of episode, and it is called Zene. By the way, my friend Tanya, who you might remember from the previous videos we filmed together, oh, I can't open it. Oh my god, she actually bought this one and wore it on her wedding back in 2019, if I'm not wrong. Oh my god, I can't get it out of the box. What's going on? And I don't want to destroy this packaging, but I'm afraid I have to, because I don't like tight boxes and these cartons. Oh my god. You know, because of my long nails, I don't want to break them, so I can't be like, you know, but sometimes I have to. Okay, second round. Let me know how you deal with this kind of packaging, especially if you have long nails like me. Okay, here we go. Okay, that didn't help at all. Great. So yeah, anyway, what do you think my next best of episode is gonna be dedicated to? As you can tell, I'm going crazy just a little bit, because I have to, because look. See? Oh my god! What's going on? Have you ever received any Nishane perfume? Have you ever bought it in the shop? No chance. I think I need to apply some. Okay. I'm sorry, but I guess I have to do it this way. And that doesn't help either. Awesome. So let's move on to something else. Something that's not going to be such hard and difficult to open, which is this package right here, and I got it from the shop Sabina, and these are 2 brand new designer fragrances. How cool is this? Who is excited for the review on The Good Fortune by Viktor and Rolf, which is their brand new pillar release that I've been so curious about. So actually, let's open it, at least for that beautiful. I can't wait. Oh my god, doesn't it give you major Sailor Moon vibes? I mean, like, just check it out. It's worth it only for this bottle. So beautiful, so cool. I have no idea how it smells. I've been waiting and waiting for it to appear in the shop so I can test it first and not blind buy it, but then I was like, you know what? It looks so beautiful, probably it's gonna be good, and if not, it's like a collector piece. So where should I spray it? Maybe right here? Okay, if it's bad, then I'll be left with this fragrance for days on my hair. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Oh, very commercial jasmine. Okay, I've smelled this type of perfume many times before, but let's actually give it a fair wear time and then see, maybe it's gonna be better in the dry down. And for now, I got another brand new release. This is actually the flanker of Lancome's Idole perfume, and I've already reviewed this collection, but they've just recently launched this one, and how cute the size is. I thought, okay, I will blind buy the Nectar one and just throw it in my purse, so even if it's not gonna be like a wow scent, I can still, you know, refresh myself with it throughout the day. And by the way, it feels super light, and I kind of dig this bottle. Very convenient. So just let's spray the other side to even it out. Okay, so it has the Idole vibe. I remember that should be like a caramel note or something. And for now, I don't get anything majorly gourmand out of it. It's like this rosy fragrance, but we shall see. So far, I'm not very much impressed with my purchases, so let's move on to something else that's probably gonna be much better. And these are new perfumes by the brand Perfumes Dumong from France, and I really love their owner Thierry Bernard. Oh my god, his wife, his daughter, who is the master of perfumery, they are all so cool, amazing guys. And this brand offers only natural fragrances, and they have like sort of a new collection. And these two perfumes are my favorites. For example, Namcha is fantastic. You just need to wear it, guys. You need to get your hands on it. By the way, really cool design, because I remember it was like such an exotic, oh yeah, floral scent. Oh my goodness, like, I mean, it smells tropical and exotic, like something you've never smelled before. I believe there is a note of champaca in there, maybe some sandalwood, but it smells almost like a candy in a supernatural way, so nothing artificially sweet about it. It is almost like juicy, citrusy, tropical, fruity, amazing, so refreshing, just awesome, and I totally love it. But I also really enjoy this one that is called, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I know that this one is special and very, very creative. So Leland Done. Okay, I won't even try next time, guys, because I know I'm so wrong. Oh yeah, it's like super beautifully smooth. Is it sandalwood? Is it mystic wood? Is it some kind of smoke, or even like a sweet gourmand that is not candy? I don't know. I definitely need to film a review on these two and the rest of the collection that I have samples of, but these are definitely my top favorites, hands down. By the way, I have a discount for those who are interested. So it's called Discover 20. And the last but not least, in this box I have a perfume by the brand Al Haramain from United Arabian Emirates, and this is the brand that always spoils us with amazing presentation. I have numerous videos dedicated to their perfumes, and I'm always excited to discover new ones, because at least the packaging is always so on point, and this one looks very intriguing. Don't really know how to open it. Oh, I'm a little bit, oh no, a little bit confused. You know, that's kind of the thing when you're filming these videos, almost, oh wow, okay, so I need to take that off, almost live, so check it out. It sells Al Haramain Oud Adam, and I'm kind of into oudi fragrances at the moment, so I'm really excited for it. Have you seen that? Okay, check it out. Okay, check it out. I got it. Wow. Okay. Need to... Oh, wow, wow, wow. Okay, this is a very beautiful bottle. I like it a lot. Wow, I don't have a bottle like this in my collection for sure. It will sit right there. I've already found a place for it. Is it like magnetic cap? Yeah. You ready? Okay, magic. True magic. Let's spray on this oud fragrance. I don't know if it's gonna be an intense oriental oud or more like a modern one. Let's actually see. So it's an aromatic oud. Right away I smell spices and maybe herbs, a bit of sweet amber and oud. Like more traditional oud, I would say, with like a modern twist in there. So that was all, but we have to unbox this Nishane, which drives me crazy because the bottle is so nice and I really want to get it out. So maybe I should do that off camera. Give me a second, please. And here we go, guys. I got that far. That's not bad, right? I mean, like, this is definitely the hardest box to open yet in my life. But this bottle is totally worth it. I mean, it's red, and that's my favorite color. It's matte finish, which is just beautiful, and it's Nishane. So let's spray it right in, because there are going only proofed perfumes, and this one is definitely one of them. So I really like how like creamy, powdery and fruity it is. So this is a very exceptional texture that it has. So it's almost like the milk of green leaves and some juice of blackcurrant, of rhubarb, and it is very creamy too. So amazing perfume, and I'm looking forward to feature it in my upcoming best of episode. But I hope you enjoyed watching this one. Let me know if you are into unboxing haul videos, and if so, maybe I will do the next one soon. We'll just wait for some packages, you know, to collect, and then I will do the round 2. So let me know if you enjoyed watching this one. Let me know which of today's fragrances that we've opened with you on camera for the first time together interests you the most. Maybe I should review some of them, and I'm looking forward to your feedback, because it's always highly appreciated. Not only I just love hearing from you, chatting with you, answering your comments and questions. Your feedback really helps my videos to get out there, and I want my channel grow much more, and we can do it together, and your help makes a huge difference. So feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already and you've watched till this moment. Give the video a thumbs up, and follow me on my social media if you want to stay in touch. Also, I have some discounts for you. They are all in the description box, just as other helpful information, and if you shop with them, we can benefit from that together. And thank you so much for watching this one. Make sure to stay tuned and smell good. We'll see each other next one really soon, but I'm already smelling amazing with so many great fragrances on myself. Bye.